The trial for the Oro Valley woman accused of texting behind the wheel just before causing a deadly car crash continues today. It happened almost 5 years ago. A young couple killed, and now the driver, Jana Giron, is facing decades behind bars. News 4 Tucson's Eric Fink is in the courtroom for us today following the trial. And Eric, what can you tell us about the latest?
Hi there, Monica. I just stepped out of the courtroom as testimony is continuing for about another hour or so today. Today's testimony focusing on missing text messages from Jana Giron's phone at or around the time of the crash that happened nearly 5 years ago. Now, this crash taking place on November the 13th, 2019. Caitlin Festerling and her boyfriend, Paul Garcia, died after their car was rear-ended and pushed into oncoming traffic. The car Festerling was driving was hit head-on by a truck. Oro Valley Police Detective Forrest Carr taking the stand earlier today. He took a look at the data on Jana Giron's phone. He was on the stand, and he told the court there are, of note, 2 missing text messages from Giron's phone after the 911 call came in shortly after 3:30 that afternoon. Prosecutors hope this will help paint a picture for the jury that Giron was distracted behind the wheel in the moments leading up to the crash. Take a listen.
I was able to observe that in this time frame, there were 2 missing entries in the text message database. I can't tell you what was in them specifically, just that they were missing.
I understand that your testimony was missing entries, right?
That's correct.
And there is nothing on the phone that you can tell that it was a user-generated deletion, right?
No.
Okay.
And you heard right there from the defense attorney, Giron's attorney right there. Giron faces 2 counts of reckless manslaughter, 2 counts of criminal damage, a count of endangerment, and a count of tampering with physical evidence. If she is convicted in this case, she could spend more than 40 years behind bars. I'm going to head back into the courtroom as testimony finishes up for the day. I'll have another live report coming up tonight at 5 o'clock. We're live downtown at Pima Superior Court. I'm Eric Fink, News 4 Tucson.
All right, thank you, Eric, for stepping out to give us that update. And if you do want to get the latest updates on each day of the trial, just download our News 4 Tucson app, available at the App Store and Google Play Store. Well, for the 4